Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm really thankful for you all sharing a valuable time this video. In this video, we'll learn about the 3 websites and make our day more interesting. So let's begin the video. Simply open your Chrome browser and here search Noisli.com. From this website, you may get the different sound for relaxation. For productivity also, here is sound. This improves focus and boosts your productivity, mix different sounds and create your project environments. Let's move on to the second website. Before that, I have to stop this. www.gutenberg.org. This offer over 57,000 free ebook. From here you may download them and read them online. And here's some latest book also here. As well as you may search here any book. Let me say this thing. Read them online. And you may download it also. Let's move on to the third website of this video. It's very important websites. www.sololearn.com. This website mainly help you to learn coding, as well as here C++ tutorial also, Python tutorial also, Java tutorial also. And they have their own application also on Google Play Store. So I hope you enjoyed this video by knowing all 3 websites. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the next video.